Want to record stories, reels, or posts, but Instagram says it needs access to your camera? Don't worry, I'll walk you through how to fix that in seconds. And if this helps, hit that like and follow for more Instagram tips. First, open Instagram and tap the plus button at the bottom center. Try to use the camera, and if it says allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone, then it's time to adjust your settings. Head over to your iPhone settings, scroll down and find screen time. Tap content and privacy restrictions and toggle it off. This can often block camera and mic access across apps. Now go back, scroll all the way down in settings until you find Instagram. Tap on it. Then enable both camera and microphone permissions. This is essential if you want to record video with sound. Once that's done, go back to Instagram, swipe right or tap the plus button again, and just like that, your camera and mic should work. You're now ready to create stories, reels, or go live directly from the app. But stuck somewhere? Drop a question in the comments and don't forget to follow for more tutorials like this.